everybody, today I'm going to let you see how to make a fried egg.
Fried egg, yeah. First,
These are the ingredients.
ingredients, yeah.
You need eggs,
The glove,
a glove,
yeah. The tools, the green ingredients and the tools.
and tools. And
Glove, hand glove,
glove, and also
little pan, fried pan, yeah.
and you also need salt.
Salt, yeah, sea salt,
Okay, then we go again
and something to turn the
the egg. Like
egg.
flipping it.
Spit.
I want to use this one.
You want to use this one? Okay.
Try it. Oh, I'm going to use it.
This is too big.
Okay, good.
First,
First, get the egg and wash it, or it will be not.
will be dirty things get into your food. Yeah.
But how we can get it in food?
When you are cracking it,
And what also is
and then the shell will fall. May fall. First, you need to prepare the.
Why will we cut this? Set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
And
The power.
the power needs to be 8.
Yeah.
Okay. Take
Then
your,
you need oil.
Yes, I need oil. And also you need oil, but where is my stupid oil? Here. Good. Take your
Glove.
glove and your flipping egg thing.
This. I don't know. I don't know the name.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the flipping. Okay. Then you need to spout some oil.
Spray.
Spray some oil on the pan.
Yeah, on the pan. The bottom of the pan, side of the pan.
Okay. Then you get an egg.
Here.
Oh, stupid egg. You run away. And then slay it on the table.
Crack it.
Crack it on the table.
Click it on the. Hit it on the table. Little bit. Crack.
If there is a crack, then use your fingers.
Yeah, use your thumb fingers to open it.
Open in it, and then just like this, open it. If there is some shell in it, use
Chopsticks.
chopsticks to get it out.
Yeah, to take it out.
And now wait the minutes.
Wait.
See you later.
Yeah. And you forgot the sword.
There's a minute.
Yeah.
And then I see you. I think I need to get 3 minutes. I think it's
Oh, too fell.
too much. How to do salad? You can see my diamond, my
Thumb finger.
here,
Yeah.
and your
The
ears
index finger.
and the rest of the fingers are on the other side. Then you clap some salt. I don't need
Clip.
it now.
Yeah.
I have too much.
Plop it.
So, see you later.
Wait for 3 minutes.
Yes. Bye bye. Hello everybody. Hey, this is a pause. I'm just eating the
During
ice
the
cream.
pause.
Okay, I have a tip. If you get a second egg, then you don't need to
Spray.
spray too much oil.
Oil.
When the first egg will let some
We'll
oil,
leave some
oil
behind.
behind.
Yeah, we'll leave some oil behind.
That was a tip. See you. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Have to.
Oh, hello. let's make the. Oh, did you see it? My egg is clear and also the timer. So
Egg
as
is done.
the timer.
One side is done.
Yes, and then you use the thing where you go and flip the egg. You do it on the end and
On the side.
side.
Yeah.
So let the
Separate.
egg separate really
The egg from the edge, from the pan. Yeah.
from the egg from the pan.
Scrape from the bottom.
Scrape from the bottom
And turn it over.
and turn it over. Look at the bodies. What is this? Some
Okay.
chickens.
Okay. And
And then
continue cooking.
And is it clear? Okay, now set your
Continue cooking
Push.
for
4. And now a timer for 1 minute so the other side can also cook.
yeah, also be cooked.
Hey, hello. Oh, my egg is clearing.
It's done.
It's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Every time say clear, I know.
Clear. You always say
Take
in the
a-
Dutch way.
Yes. Take a
Plate.
plate and take your flipping egg thing. Okay, now set the timer off. Then you can take the egg, just like, don't do the rest. There's no. Then you get the egg
The
and place it just on the plate.
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 In your plate.
And then you're fresh.
Then you can enjoy your fried egg.
Yes, and this is my fried egg. Do you want to send some photos from your fried egg that you made it? I really hope that will be good.
Yeah.